Owning a home comes with its fair share of maintenance and repairs. While some tasks may require professional assistance, there are numerous simple repairs you can tackle yourself. Not only can DIY home repairs save you money, but they also give you a sense of accomplishment. By following a few simple steps, you can successfully handle a range of common home repairs. In this article, we will outline some easy DIY repairs that can be done with basic tools and a little know-how. Patching holes in drywall. Accidental holes in drywall are a common occurrence in any home. Whether it's a small hole from a picture frame or a larger one from a doorknob, patching them up is relatively simple. Start by cleaning the area around the hole and removing any loose debris. Next, apply a self-adhesive mesh patch over the hole, making sure it overlaps the edges. Then, spread a thin layer of joint compound over the patch, feathering it out gradually. Allow it to dry and sand it smooth. Finally, apply a primer and paint to match the surrounding wall. Fixing a leaky faucet. A dripping faucet not only wastes water, but can also be an annoying sound. Fixing it is a straightforward process. Start by shutting off the water supply to the faucet. Next, remove the handle to access the cartridge or valve inside. Replace any worn-out rubber washers or O-rings. If necessary, replace the entire cartridge or valve assembly. Reassemble the faucet and turn on the water supply to test for leaks. With a few simple tools and replacement parts, you can restore your faucet to its leak-free state. Long-term maintenance. Apart from handling immediate repairs, professional handyman services can also assist with long-term home maintenance. They can offer advice on preventive measures and identify potential issues before they become major problems. Regular maintenance visits by a professional handyman can help extend the lifespan of your home's systems and save you from costly repairs down the line. When it comes to home repairs, hiring a professional handyman service company is a wise investment. Their expertise, efficiency, and range of services make them the go-to solution for homeowners. By trusting these professionals, you can save time, money, and effort while ensuring that your home repairs are completed to a high standard. So the next time you have a repair project on your hands, consider enlisting the services of a reliable and trustworthy professional handyman service company. Repairing a running toilet. A running toilet can waste a significant amount of water over time. Luckily, it's usually caused by a faulty flapper or fill valve, which are inexpensive and easy to replace. Begin by shutting off the water supply to the toilet and flushing it to drain the tank. Remove the lid and inspect the flapper and fill valve. If the flapper is worn or not sealing properly, replace it. If the fill valve is malfunctioning, replace it as well. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation, and don't forget to turn on the water supply and test the toilet for proper functionality. Replacing a broken electrical switch or outlet. A broken light switch or outlet can be a safety hazard and should be addressed promptly. Start by shutting off the power to the affected circuit at the main electrical panel. Use a voltage tester to ensure the power is off before proceeding. Unscrew the cover plate and remove it, then unscrew the switch or outlet from the electrical box. Take note of the wire connections and transfer them to the new switch or outlet. Reattach everything, secure it in the electrical box, and screw on the cover plate. Finally, restore power to the circuit and test the switch or outlet. Taking care of simple home repairs yourself can save you both time and money. With the right tools and a little guidance, you can handle various tasks around the house. From patching holes in drywall to fixing leaky faucets, running toilets, or replacing electrical switches and outlets, these repairs are within the reach of most homeowners. Always remember to prioritize safety, follow instructions carefully, and seek professional help when needed. By mastering these basic DIY repair skills, you can maintain your home effectively and enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done.